Firstly, a very good morning to all. Welcome back student to your online class of EVS class 5th. As you already know, in the previous classes we have done up to the chapter number 2 and now today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 3rd. So the next chapter, that is chapter number 3, is from tasting to digesting, and the first topic is different tastes. Jhumpa ran into the kitchen and caught hold of her mother, saying, "Ma, I am not going to eat this bitter Karela, bitter God. Give me good jaggery and roti." Ma smiled and said, "You ate roti and sugar in the morning." Jhulan teased Jhumpa, "Don't you get bored of only one kind of taste?" Jhumpa replied quickly, "Do you get bored by licking imli, tamarind? I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word imli. Sure, I love the sour imli, but I eat sweet and salty things too. I even eat Karela," said Jhulan, and looked at her mother. They both laughed heartily. Jhulan said to Jhumpa, "Let's play a game. You close your eyes and open your mouth. I will put something to eat in your mouth. You have to tell what it is." Jhulan took a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and put them in Jhumpa's mouth. "Sour lemon," Jhumpa replied quickly. Next topic is Jhulan then picked up a small piece of jaggery. Her mother suggested, "Crush it, otherwise she will know what it is." Jhulan crushed the jaggery, but Jhumpa easily guessed it. They played the game with different food items. Jhumpa could tell the fried fish even before tasting it. Jhulan said, "Now close your nose and tell me what this is." Jhumpa was confused. "It is a bit bitter, a little salty and somewhat sour. Give me one more spoonful." Jhulan took another spoonful of the cooked Karela, uncovered Jhumpa's eye and said, "Here it is, eat." Jhumpa laughed. "Yes, give me more." Jhumpa रसोई में गई और माँ से लिपटकर बोली, "माँ, मैं नहीं खाऊंगी कड़वे करेले, मुझे तो तुम गुड़ रोटी ही दे दो।" माँ ने हंसते हुए कहा, "कितना मीठा खाओगी? सुबह भी तो तुमने चीनी वाली रोटी खाई थी। तुम बोर नहीं होती एक ही तरह के स्वाद की चीजें खाकर?" झूलन ने झुम्पा को चिढ़ाते हुए कहा। झुम्पा एकदम से बोली, "तुम बोर नहीं होती क्या इमली चाटते चाटते? जरूर नाम सुनते ही तुम्हारे मुंह में पानी आ गया होगा।" झूलन बोली, "मैं मीठा भी खाती हूँ, नमकीन भी। हाँ, खट्टी इमली मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है, पर मैं करेला भी खा लेती हूँ।" यह कहकर झूलन ने माँ को देखा और दोनों जोर से हंस पड़ी। झूलन झुम्पा से बोली, "चलो एक खेल खेलते हैं। मैं तुम्हारे मुंह में खाने की कोई चीज रखूंगी, तुम्हें आंखें बंद करके उसे पहचानना होगा।" झूलन ने चम्मच में नींबू के रस की कुछ बूंदें ली और झुम्पा को चटाई। "खट्टा नींबू," झुम्पा फट से बोली। फिर झूलन ने गुड़ की डली उठाई तो माँ बोली, पीसकर खिलाओ, नहीं तो फट से पहचान लेगी।" झूलन ने थोड़ा सा गुड़ पीसकर झुम्पा को चखाया तो उसने पहचान लिया। इस तरह झुम्पा ने कई चीजें पहचानी। तली हुई मछली को तो झुम्पा ने बिना चखे ही पहचान लिया। तब झूलन बोली, "अब नाक बंद करके पहचानो।" झुम्पा ने चखा तो वह सोच में पड़ गई। कुछ कड़वा सा है, कुछ खट्टा सा, कुछ नमकीन सा। "एक चम्मच और खिलाओ," वह बोली। झूलन ने चम्मच में करेले की सब्जी ली। झुम्पा की आंखों की पट्टी खोली और बोली, "खाओ।" झुम्पा भी हंसते हुए बोली, "लो खिलाओ।" So the next part is question answers and the topic is discuss and write. And the first question is, Jhulan's mouth start watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. खट्टी इमली का नाम सुनते ही झूलन के मुंह में पानी आ गया। तुम्हारे मुंह में कब कब पानी आता है? अपनी पसंद की 5 चीजों के नाम और उनके स्वाद लिखो। Next question is, do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? तुम्हें एक ही तरह का स्वाद पसंद है या अलग अलग, क्यों? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, झूलन पुट ए फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ लेमन जूस इन झुम्पास माउथ. डू यू थिंक वी कैन मेक आउट द टेस्ट विद जस्ट ए फ्यू ड्रॉप्स? झूलन ने झुम्पा को नींबू के रस की कुछ बूंदे चखाई। क्या कुछ बूंदों से स्वाद का पता चल सकता है? इफ समवन वर टू पुट ए फ्यू सीड्स ऑफ सौंफ on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed how? अगर तुम्हारी जीभ पर सौंफ के दाने रखे तो क्या तुम बिना चबाए उसे पहचान पाओगे? कैसे? So let's discuss the question answers of the chapter number 3rd, and the first question is, Julia's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. And the answer is, when I see one of my favorite food, my mouth waters. Following are the things which I like to eat. First thing is samosa and the taste is salty, spicy. Second thing is pickles and the taste is sour, salty. Third thing is jalebi and the taste is sweet. Fourth term is or thing is chocolate and the taste is sweet. Last and the fifth thing is ice cream and the taste is sweet. So the next question, that is question number 2, is, do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? So the answer is, I like different kinds of taste. Only one taste can be boring. Question number 3 is, Julian put a few drops of lemon juice in Jhumpa's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? And the answer is yes, a few drops of sour things are enough to make out the taste. Next question is, that is question number 4. If someone were to put a few seeds of saunf on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed? How? So the answer is yes, we can recognize something by taste and smell also.